Hi guys! Welcome to another video and welcome to Pearl TV. Today, I am going to unwrap a parcel that I got from Shopee Rider, okay? So, this item is a baking tool, okay? So, let's start to unwrap, okay? And this will also serve as a proof to the supplier if they had really sent to me the item that I ordered. Okay, parang ang nipis. Small daw to guys, small size of cupcake mold. Okay, so tingnan natin. Nakarap siya ng ganito guys. Oh, seems ito talaga yung gusto ko. Sana lang, how I wish. Yay! This is it. Thanks to small. Ganun pala siya guys. Ano lang siya? Mababaw lang. Look. Mababaw lang. So, ganito pala guys yung definition nila ng small. Mababaw. Kasi, I have here, ito, mga to. This is for 2 ounce if I'm not mistaken. Okay? This is for 2 ounce. Siguro pang 1 ounce nga yun. And this one is for 3 ounce. Okay? Ang laki diba? So, the last time I made my cornmeal muffin. So, dito ko, kaya medyo malaki nga yun. So, yes, I'm so happy na ganito yung na-receive ko. And, ganito talaga yung in-expect ko. Yung hindi masyado malaki yung ano niya, hole. Okay? Sakto lang. So, check natin guys. I have here the for 2 ounce. Eto, perfect to na binili ni Mr. ko last time sa Shopee. Ayan. Tama nga guys. For 2 ounce. Kasi the last time pinapa-order ko si Mr. ko for 3 ounce. For parang nga doon. Like this. This is the 3 ounce guys. The difference. Look. Medyo wide. Diba? Tapos, wide siya. Tapos yung the bottom diameter. Of course, syempre bigger kasi 3 ounce eh. And this one. Ay, perfect talaga. Yay. 2 ounce. Okay, so it's a pop. I love the item, and if you're also wishing to have this, you can order. I will drop the link at the comment section. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. I got it right. Thanks to the supplier. Drop ko yung link at magre-resell din ako. Okay.